My name is Shane Erickson Banyadera from BSIT 1.1 and the group name is KULTO ni Andrew.
Hi, I'm Dan Dexter Permeo from 1.1 BSIT.
My name is Jesse Morala, BSIT 1.1.
Hi, my name is Mark Andrew from BSIT 1.1.
Group name, KULTO ni Andrew.
My name is KULTO ni Andrew.
Is KULTO ni Andrew.
Straight through cable, gather materials, Ethernet cable, RJ45 connectors, crimping tool, wire cutter or stripper. Cut cable to desired length and strip about 1.5 inches of outer jacket. Arrange wires in T568B order. Orange stripe, orange, green stripe, blue, blue stripe, green, brown stripe, brown. Trim and align wires evenly. Insert wires into RJ45 connector following T568B color code. Crimp connector securely. Repeat for the other end of the cable. Test the cable by connecting devices to ensure proper network connection.